see how this goes with our new foot position. This may be our new way to ride B&M.
Honestly, maybe. I'm going to bring some Fury.
You've been on this one before, haven't you?
Yeah.
This is why I got surprised at the whole shit.
Yeah!
I like this riding position.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, yeah! Oh my god!
I can literally feel the droplets coming off my body. I can literally feel water coming off me. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, you come off the beach, see that?
Awesome ride.
That's better in the
That's
front.
one thing, you should feel yourself coming off the seat and everything.
That's awesome.